Fiona Lawler here with Additive Manufacturing Media, and I wanted to talk about the material science side of additive manufacturing, particularly an interesting technology I saw while at Rapid+TCT 2023 in Chicago. I visited Exum's booth to see their debut mass spectrometry tool, the Massbox, and I spoke with Chief Development Officer Ellen Williams to learn more. The machine analyzes the chemical makeup of any given sample. For additive manufacturing, it can be used to characterize small parts, build samples, and powder feedstock for quality assurance. This approachable technology was designed to accommodate those who may not have a background in material science or chemistry. The Massbox is a touch-screen desktop device for non-destructive material testing, intended to provide results in minutes, bypassing the need to send samples to the lab. The Massbox uses laser ablation to separate the ions from the sample for analysis. This is a less destructive method than is typically needed for mass spectrometry. The technology then provides elemental constituents for most of the periodic table via heat mapping for readily and easily visible results. This proves useful for quality assurance, material characterization, and failure analysis purposes. The Massbox is a practical tool for additive manufacturing as it can save time in material testing, shorten the production cycle, and ultimately reduce lead time.